Okay, go to this page, ubuntupflavormaker.org, download this image. Okay, Ubuntu Classic Server 16.04 Raspberry Pi 3. Okay, download this. Okay, this is the image. Ubuntu 16.04 pre-installed server ARM for Raspberry 3. That image. Okay, decompress this. Okay, and now access. This is the file. Okay, disk image file extension img. Okay, this is insert microSD on PC. This is the microSD card. Okay, format this FAT32 quick format, no label, start. Okay, okay, okay. You can download a tool like Etcher Setup. Okay, I agree. Select the image. This SD. Okay, now is recognized the D. Now flash. Yes. Okay, the drive disappears. Not problem with that. Insert microSD on Raspberry Pi 3B. Connect display and power supply. Connect to Ethernet network. Connect the USB keyboard. Press enter and insert username Ubuntu, default password Ubuntu, update password, the current is Ubuntu, insert the new password and confirm. Get the IPv4 address using the ifconfig command. My IPv4 address is 192.168.163. This here. Okay, open the command prompt. Ping the new device. Success. Access using SSH client. Port 22 SSH. Yes. Ubuntu and your new password. Success. Okay, verify your IP address. And you can set a static IP. Okay, on this file, interfaces file located on the etc network directory, use the vim tool, the text editor, with sudo privileges, root privileges, sudo. Okay. Review this directory, escape, column q dot d 50. Okay, sudo for root privileges, vim editor, this directory, etc network interfaces.d, and this file 50 cloud init.cfg, enter. Okay, Ethernet 0 is using the DHCP. You can set this to static. Okay, remove this line. Okay, I key to insert to edit. This is a tool for the text editor. I key to insert. You can see this message insert mode, and you can remove this line or simply comment this line. Okay, it's commented, remove it, and add the following interface: Ethernet 0, iNet static. Okay, the address according your network. Okay, the net mask according your network. This is, in my case, is this. The gateway also according your network. In my case, 1. Now configure the DNS domain. Is optional, but I will do it anyway. The DNS search, and the DNS name servers. Okay, okay, this is very useful. It's not optional. Okay, these two lines are optional, but the name servers are the DNS servers, so it's very important. Okay, I will use the Google servers or any that you want. Okay, that is enough for IPv4. Now document and remember this IP address, the new static IP address. Okay. Escape key, column, write, and quit. Okay, enter. And reload the device. Sudo shutdown option restart now. Okay. Now you can remove the display and you can access only using SSH from now to future. Okay, now remember your new static IP address. Okay, success. Ubuntu user, your new password. Verify, obviously, is very well configured. Okay, IPv6 is already configured to get an IP address from IPv6 DHCP server. Okay, from a DHCP version 6 server. This is the link local already configured, but also you can use you can configure the static IP. Repeat the previous command sudo vim editor, this directory and this file, and you can add the following: I key to insert, interface, Ethernet 0, INET 6, static. Set the address according your network. In my case, this. The net mask is the prefix. The gateway according your network. In my case, this. And also, you can add a new line for name servers using the DNS IPv6 address. Okay, escape key, column, WQ, enter. Reload the device. For example, configure your Ethernet interface for IPv6 okay, and with use a different IPv6 address, the prefix, gateway, DNS server. Okay, all according your network. Okay, Raspberry Pi 3 is 133. This Windows PC is 134. Okay. You can just ping on IPv6 to test connectivity. Success. Okay, also you can use this to access using SSH. Okay, this IP address. Yes. Ubuntu user, new password. Success. ifconfig, static IPv4, static IPv6, IP root, static, the default gateway, IP option 6 root, the default gateway on IPv6. Thank you very much.